Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to the channel. It's nice to have you again. So our new subscribers, you are highly welcome. So today I'm going to be showing you how to cut chicken the Nigerian way. So here I have an order to cater for an event and we needed chicken here. I got to a vendor and I got about 8 chickens in total. So from here we made a schedule to take the chicken to where it's going to be slaughtered. So here is me holding one of the chickens. This is the closest I have ever been to a live chicken. Yeah, so and I came to this place in Samaru called Gangan Uku. This is where they do the slaughtering, the evisceration and everything. So yours is just to take it home and you wash, prepare your chicken. So here is their pot. They are just trying to remove the feathers from the chicken using the boiling water method, scalding. So after this method, they are removing the feathers now. As you can see, the chickens here on the floor, they are removing the feathers and they will do this one after the other. These guys are super fast and they are very good at what they do. So here they are. Then after they will wash the chicken before cutting. The guy on the red is the one handling my own. Everybody here has their own. So the guy here on the red trouser is the one handling mine. As you can see. They remove every bit of the feather on the body of the chicken. So you see it's pretty clean. And after that they beat it this way. This is another one from my own. And this other guy here is also doing another one, though it's not mine. After removing the feather, they wash it in water like this to make it more clean before they start cutting them open. This place is located in Samaru, Zaria, Kaduna State, Nigeria. So it's the only place here in the locality where they do this work on a commercial scale. So the place is quite underdeveloped. It hasn't been long they opened it, so I hope and believe the owner of the place will try to make it better and more standardized, because they have a lot of work here. They help to save time, seriously, because if you don't want to cut, imagine me having to cut all the whole chicken. Yeah, a guy just brought in a live chicken now, as you can see. Yeah, this is a scene that is very often in this place. Till I left that place that day, they slaughtered about 3 or 4 chicken in my presence. So another person just brought this again. So all they need to do is say the tasmiyah, bismillah, and wow, that's all. So the place is usually bustling with activities like this, and don't only slaughter chicken here, even ruminant animals, small ruminant animals like goats, sheep, ram, they do so here. So this guy is still cleaning the remaining ones from my chicken. It's not done yet. And the fee here is very affordable. Per chicken is 100 naira. In fact, it used to be 50 naira before. Yes, per chicken. The killing, the slaughtering, the evisceration, everything, the cutting, everything is 100 naira. So these are my chickens on the table. Yeah. So he's going now to fetch water. They are very lucky that they have this source of water. Guys, can you see that chicken on the floor? It's a local chicken. See how tiny it is. So the guy has brought in the water now. He's cleaning the table. Cleaning the table up before he starts the cutting. I really enjoyed how he handled my work. In fact, when I was about to go, I had to take his number because this is the first time I'm going there by myself. Normally, I do send people to help me do this there, but because of the event I'm handling, the kind of event it is, I wanted to be there personally to oversee the whole process. I don't want to hear it isn't. Yeah, so I was there myself, and I really loved the experience. It was a very nice one, and it's nostalgic sort of because it made me remember a course that we did in my 400 or 500 level thereabout, where we talked about how to slaughter animals. Even this chicken particularly, we were told there are different types of method of skinning them, and skinning, scalding, all those types of removing their skin, feather and everything, the evisceration. So I was there witnessing it live and direct. So see this big chicken. Here he is washing the chickens. Now it's time to do the cutting. Yes, he is going to cut them into 8 pieces because the organizers of the event required that they wanted the sizes, the cuts to be 8. Yeah, so apart from the offals, you can see he went first with taking the legs off. Then he opened the downside, removing the offals, the intestine, the gizzard and everything. And you can see he's washing it out. Then he went down, got the drumstick. So it's supposed to be 2 drumsticks, 2 rings, 2 breasts and 2 thighs. That makes it the 8 cuts. So without the legs, the neck or the head. I personally even told them that I don't want the head because I don't normally include it when serving my clients. So here is it again. He went first with the leg. Then once he cut the legs off, he normally remove the fingers of the chicken. So he is removing the organs, the intestine once again. Yeah, so he goes for the drumstick. And the thigh. So this is the breast part, it's cutting it into 2. These chickens, they were quite big. So He has cut the breast parts. Now he's cutting the wings.
Mine are some gizzard.
Make it 8 in total. Here goes another with the legs off. Yeah, his knife got dull blunt, so he had to sharpen it before continuing. Yeah. It looks quite easy, but I don't know if it is as easy as it looks. Open, yeah. Going for the drumstick and tie again. So he did that, and this is the last chicken, last one standing. Those ones by the side I just showed briefly, since they are for a suya spot, because that's how they normally do their own. And some of those chicken goes for 4K, like the one close to my shop, theirs goes for 4K. Selling chicken, peppered, pepper soup or fried and peppered. Even the suya is quite a lucrative venture if you know how to do it right. So he's done now. I told him I don't need the offals, I only need the gizzard. So here he is, preparing the gizzard for me, removing them one by one, opening it up to remove the food. That is the bile he's removing. Can you see the way he brings out the gizzard? That's the bile. That green thing is called the bile. If it breaks, it can spoil the meat because it's bitter. I also told him to remove the liver. I only need the gizzard. Isn't God the best of creator? With that, those little chickens, see everything that they had in their body, and every part of this, every organ here has a vital function to fulfill. Even that bile that was removed. So here he is removing the remains of the feed from the gizzard. It was a very nice experience for me. I really enjoyed it. Here they are packaging the chicken into the black leather. I like this guy's work because he's very fast and he's neat. Can you see on the floor? Those were the feet removed from the gizzards. This year has been a year I had very close contact with chicken because
So we are done.
ordinarily I used to be very scared. So they handed me over my chicken and off I went. Here they are, shiny, haven't washed them. So they are in the pot, waiting to be seasoned, marinated, and cooked. So guys, that was how it went. I hope you enjoyed this.
Remember when you're in the dark, never sure of where you are. Allah Al-Hadi pull you out from the dark and into light. No matter how many times you are wrong, He guides you right.